Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Instagram feed to Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. From your main menu, open any page and click on edit, and now you have to click on insert and scroll down, and here you will find Instagram, so click on that and select account tab, connect account, add an account. Okay, and now click on allow, or it may ask you to log in into your Instagram account using your Instagram username and password, so click on allow. So here you can see the account has been added, and now you can change the items that you want to show on your Squarespace page, and go to design, and you can select slideshow, carousel, grid or stacked. So I'm selecting here grid, and you can change aspect ratio. You can enable crop image. Here we can see I have successfully added Instagram feed to my Squarespace website. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.